In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a contract in Square from start to finish. To get started, navigate to the sidebar and open the Contracts section in Square. This prepares you to begin your new agreement. Click the Create Contract button to launch the contract workflow and begin setup. Choose a contract template to quickly outline the terms and structure for your agreement. Next, add payment details by selecting the Add Payment Information option and entering the total amount owed to specify how much your customer will pay. Make sure you select the appropriate payment setup mode, either a simple price or a per-unit arrangement, depending on your needs. Now, add your recipient by typing their name or email, selecting the matched contact, and if needed, provide any additional details such as company name to ensure they receive the contract. Click Save to confirm recipient information, then set a payment due date and adjust the payment structure by switching to per unit if needed. Close the payment dialog if necessary, finalize the payment amount, and save your changes to secure all payment details. Be sure to enable card processing when prompted, then move on to the next section by clicking Next to continue. Finally, select the appropriate recipient if needed and complete the required signature fields to finish setting up your contract. You've now seen the complete process for creating a contract in Square.